to the garden often?
What did you say?
So the past few days, I've been watching stupid movies on YouTube. One was A Bridge Too Far with Sean Connery and all those guys, and they're doing Operation Market Garden, or 13-7, or 713, Operation Market Garden. So I'm trying to think of like the 1 of 7 to 13 of 110 21 43 of Madison Square Garden, because you got a square, a circle.
What did you say?
Madison Square Garden.
Something like that. So we got there, Madison Square Garden, or how it is commonly referred to as MSG.
You go there often?
Why?
Now, okay. Well, let's start off with the M. There's your 1. Okay, let's start off with the S. There's your 1. So we have a 1 of 1. Well, there's your G. There's your 7.
Basketball? The circus? Wrestling?
Oh, okay, well, there's your 13. Alright, now your 110. Well,
Why are you asking me about the garden? Have you been following me?
what do you think? What do you guys think? Okay, so we've looked at the 13 just now, and a 1 and a 3 is a 4. And before we looked at the 7, and that's already 1, so let's just add a 7. So if we add those together, that's in our 11. We know that S is where we have to go next, because we haven't done the 19th letter. Well, the 19th letter can also be written as a 1 and a 9. 1 plus 9, which is 10. So I was thinking, well, if we just add the 7 and the reduced 13 and multiply it by the reduced S, you get 110.
I'd like to walk you home, Brenda.
Right? Oh, okay. Now the hard one. So we ended looking here. Alright, so what are we going to do? Well, I'm going to just add it all up. So we're going to add 13 plus 19 plus 7. Now we reduced 13 before, we used it as a 4, so we have to add the 4. And we reduced the 19 to a 10 earlier, so let's add the 10. And you sum this up. And there's your 2, there's your 1. There's your 53. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There's a 2, there's a 1, 53. Okay? So you add up all this stuff, you get 53. Okay? Well, where did we end? We ended with 110 last. That was the last step, and we looked at the 19. So naturally, I'm going to say 19 times 110 will be equal to 2090. And obviously, 2090 plus 53 is 2143.